Hello guys, I welcome you in today's video. So I'm going to talk about deceptive sites ahead, right? A lot of people have this on their domain. Okay, they just host their websites and they have the deceptive sites ahead. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove your website from showing deceptive sites ahead. Right, so I'm going to discuss with you reasons why your website show deceptive site ahead. So pay attention carefully to this video and you'll be glad you did. Now there's certain reasons why your website will show deceptive site ahead. If your website is showing deceptive site ahead, just know that it's not your hosting who has suspended your domain. It is not your domain or hosting company. Okay, it is not the kind of script you're using that is making your site to show deceptive site ahead. Okay, the reason why your site show deceptive site ahead, if your website is used for scam purpose. If your website is used for scam purpose, your site risks showing deceptive site ahead. If your website is used for phishing, it risks to show deceptive site ahead, right? So if your website is also used in collecting private information from people illegally, it also risks to show deceptive sites ahead, right? Before now it was not rampant, but I think any site that is used for deceptive purpose, Google has this advanced technology that can flag such sites and detecting why it's being flagged for harmful purposes. Okay, so to remove this, you can actually remove this deceptive site ahead from your website, and I want to show you how you can remove this and how you can avoid this. Okay, now the number one reason why you get this and how you can avoid this is avoid using Google Chrome. Okay, avoid using Google Chrome, and if you're designing a website on this platform, be it phishing or scam purpose, which is being risked from flagging deceptive, you need to avoid using, most especially, the latest version of Google Chrome. Okay, because it was built with a lot of security to detect websites that are used illegally to collect people's information. So you need to avoid Google Chrome. You might be able to stop this to some percentage, and also avoid using domain names that looks like another company's name, right? You shouldn't try to imitate an existing domain name. Don't try to imitate a particular existing domain name, because when you try to imitate their brand, most especially a brand that is popular, and try to trick yours to be so similar to theirs, this brand has some kind of security features on the web that monitor or track when people use a domain name similar to theirs, so it sends signals to them, okay, that someone is trying to imitate their domain name. Okay, so when you do this, your account, or your site rather, is risks flagging deceptive. Okay, so if you do that, you might likely get this deceptive site for certain. Okay, and some of the ways that you can avoid this is if you can stop using other people's domain. Okay, so the best thing to do to get started, what you need to do is go to your Chrome browser, or your Chrome browser, if you want to get rid of this deceptive site ahead. On your Chrome browser, just search for alright, so go to Google, google.com/webmaster. Okay, so I've done this several times, and Google was able to remove it. Okay, let me, sorry, yeah, it has finally loaded up. Okay, so this is what the site looks like. Make sure you're correctly signed in to your Gmail. Make sure you're signed into your Gmail. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on get started. When you click on get started, then you proceed to search console. Okay, on the search console, this is what it looks like. So what you need to do is you need to copy the name of the domain name, your domain name that that had this Deceptive site on. Then you paste that right here. Then you click on continue. Okay, so the verification, okay, you can see you'll be given this particular documents to download. Okay, so download this, click on download, and go ahead and save this. Okay, go ahead and save this. So once you have done that, you go to your cPanel. Okay, on your cPanel section, and goes and upload this document directly on your public_html. Okay, upload directly on your public_html. But due to I actually have a domain, an add-on domain where I want to upload this on, I'll go ahead and upload it on my add-on domain, on my domain rather, that I created. So I'll go ahead and click on upload, then select files. Okay, let me quickly search for the name of that file. Okay, this should be the file. This should be the file, but I need to be very sure, okay, to avoid issues. Yeah, so this is right here. This is the document. So I'll go ahead and open and upload these documents right away. Okay, so then click on back. I'll go back. Okay, so once this has been done, let's go ahead and reload this. Okay, then go ahead and click on, but before then we need to, let me quickly change this. I don't want errors, I don't want any, I want to rename this because this file already have it before, this file before. So let me just remove this, then rename. Okay, I want it to be the exact name, sorry, like I said, I want it to be the exact name with what we have on the documents that we downloaded, right? So let's go ahead to verify to see if we have actually installed this. You can see ownership verified. Okay, so when this has been done, what you do is you click on go to property. Okay, so when you click on the full report section, but make sure you're currently on the property, where you have the issue on. Okay, you can see that. So what you do is you go to full report, then you can see Google actually on this deceptive page, you can see Google actually detected a harmful content. They were like, Google detected harmful content on my site pages, and we recommend you remove it as soon as possible. So what you do is you click on request review. Okay, so on the request review section, what you do is you tick this, then you can be like, let's say my site is not, sorry, my site is not used for scam purposes. Okay, my site is not used for scam purposes. Please review and allow to run smoothly. Right, so when you have done that, then you tick this box, all issues with this, my site is not used for single page review, you go ahead and submit this. Okay, so you can see this has been submitted. So within 24 hours or 25 hours to 7 days, this deceptive site ahead will be removed. Okay, it will be removed from your website. Okay, and the more ways that you can use to avoid this is make sure you don't use Google Chrome, like I said previously, and make sure you don't try to imitate other companies' websites. So when you submit these complaints, they will take their time, and the issue will be resolved, right? So if you really find this video helpful, I appreciate you give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Okay, if you have any questions, you can drop that on the comment section, or you can chat the number displaying on your screen if you need any assistance. Okay, so thank you guys, and I will see you on the next one.